Do you know a study from University of California found that it takes average 23 minutes to refocus after getting distracted. And that's why productivity isn't about working hard, it's about staying focused. In this video, I will show you how you can use Notion to do exactly that. This is the only Notion template you can find 5 ways to be productive. So when you scroll down, here first there is a log center. That's the first way you can be productive, like logging the task. That's the first way to log the task. You can create a log where I already add this log. You can open that. Here you can add, write this why it's important, what happen if I don't do this, and there is certain prompts you need to fill. After filling that, when you have to go to the home page, and then you can come over to the task page manager. Here in the old section, I can see all the tasks to be done. Okay, and from here you need to log the certain one task. And here I will, for example, I will take this summarize each chapter. I log this task, log this into prepare final for exam, and I have added log this task. And when you log the task, we can see in this certain section like log section. And now your next step is to identify when you need to done this task. For this, you can come to your timeline and select if you want to do this task right now today. Then select today. Then after selecting that, it will move from this today section where you can see this task as today be done. Okay, and that's the first method you can use to be productive. Now let's go to the second method, which is break this big task into small tasks. Okay, for that, let's go to the home page. So let's break that big task. Okay, so that for that, let's select this task. This is the big task we need to be create subtask for. So for that, let's come over here and create subtask. Okay, now I have added some subtasks for this main task. And after that, when you scroll over here like subtask board, and you can see in creation section, and the info section it show you the tasks as subtasks that are not linked. Okay, so after linking you can see right here, and you can complete this task one by one, and after completing you can check the mark. Okay, when you mark that task, you can see in the home page that the progress view is 100 percentage. See, 100% because we complete the subtask, which eventually completing the main task. That's the second way you can be productive, by breaking big tasks into small tasks and complete the small task one by one. Okay, that's the second way. Now the third way to be productive is to reflect. Whenever you find yourself procrastinating, the second thing you should do, first thing you always procrastinate, right? So the second thing you should do is reflect. Whenever you find yourself procrastinate, just come over here, tap this button, and create a page title, which is I found myself procrastinating in summarizing each chapter. That's the title, and here you can just answer the prompt like what distracted you, and what did have when did it happen, and like that. And this is the important form. Okay, if and then prove, like if I do this task, then I can get this certain reward. That's the example formula. Okay, and after that you can link that task. For this we have the summarizing, that's the main task. You can link that task here, and that's it. And you can use it repeatedly whenever you find yourself procrastinating. Okay, and eventually you can get control of the procrastination and be productive. That's the main goal, and that's the third way you can be productive. Now let's talk about the fourth way, which is journalizing. It is done at the end of the day. Okay, and when you end the day, you can come over here and come over here notes journal, and then here you can just completely create a new page here, and then you can just give a title like uh, and then you can add the tag here like distractor win here, and then you can add a date here, and yeah, can either answer the prompt, or just you can do, you can come over here, give a title and add description like this one, or explain like write in words. That's the main goal. This is a wonderful way to end the day productive. Okay, and that's also help you productive. So then now let's talk about the fifth way, final fifth by N5, which is mood board. When you open the mood board, you can see all the code you like and the image that can inspire you, the car you need to buy that can inspire you, and how you can build that can inspire you. Anything that can inspire you have to go this mood board. Okay, and when you are struggling or need some motivation, you can come out here and get that inspiration or the motivation to get more forward. And that's the 5 ways you can be productive using this certain Notion template and Notion. Yeah, and that's it. This is how you can use, and I'm also using to be productive using this certain Notion template, and you can find that in the description. You can download that. And yeah, that's it. And hope you like this video, and I will come again with the amazing workflow like this in the next video. And thank you.